urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from West Salem to 9 miles northwest of Shreve and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Shreve, Worcester, Whitman, Creston, Orville, Doylestown, Dalton, Mount Heath. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following